So melon plants are going absolutely crazy, to the point where they have been taking over all the ground as well. So just sort of cutting them back a little bit, and thought to myself, I might try doing a cutting from these. So yeah, let's see. Right, so got the stem, nothing too technical, just using a pair of scissors, but just thought I'd give this a try, to be honest, because once again might be similar to the pumpkins where they grew quite easily, or propagate quite easily in water. If that's the case, it means that I don't have to worry about growing quite so many numbers. So you'll notice I did a snip just below the leaf joint. Just take off some of the bigger leaves and flowers and stick them in there. Same on this one. And let's see what happens. I'll come back to you. Right, we're back. 29th of August, 11 days on, and you can see that just in the water these melon cuttings, sections, have put on plenty of nice root. So although it's late in the UK to plant these up, certainly in a warmer climate, or if you're growing these as a heated crop in a greenhouse polytunnel, then it would be worth doing this time of year. Or alternatively, start the season, take some cuttings off the younger plants. But certainly it roots really quickly, you know, and that's only 11 days, and even producing flower buds and fresh growth to the top. So yeah, this little experiment worked quite well. So yeah, another experiment, fairly successful. How to propagate melon through cuttings. So just goes to show really that although we all start them off by seed, possibly if we grew a few less plants from seed, we could then do some cuttings from the ones that are actually going, and save ourselves a lot of bother, time, effort, and initial loss at the start of the season. But might be something I'll try next year, see how we go. But yeah, anyway, thanks for watching the video. If you got any questions, then please send them across to me. I'll do my best to answer them for you. Having said that, it wasn't a particularly difficult video. It was a cut, stick the pieces into water and watch them root. But if you like what I'm doing, like my experimenting in the garden, then please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to hit that reminder button so you don't miss out on the future videos I'm doing. And yeah, more importantly, just enjoy doing your gardening, have fun, try something different, and well, relax in it. Until next time, see you soon. Bye for now.